Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem of the code not received on your Android phone. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. All what you have to do is just open Facebook, open the settings, on your phone, and then go to apps. Now on this page, as you can see, you will find many apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find Facebook and click on it like this. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Click on it. Now all what you have to do is click on the force stop and storage. Click here on clear data, clear cache, go back, and now reopen Facebook, and the problem must be solved. If it didn't solve it, then all what you have to do is go back again to the settings, go to Facebook, and this time click here on uninstall and then reinstall the Facebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.